We understand that finding the most suitable legal representation can be overwhelming, given the abundance of options available. That's why we've compiled a comprehensive outline to help you navigate this important decision-making process. From assessing your legal needs, researching potential lawyers, evaluating their expertise and compatibility, considering costs and fees, we will cover all the essential factors to consider. By following the steps outlined in this blog, you can make an informed choice that aligns with your specific requirements and maximizes your chances of achieving a favorable outcome. Let's dive into the details and empower you to make an informed and confident decision in selecting the perfect legal representation for your unique situation. When it comes to choosing the right lawyer, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your legal needs. Assessing your situation will help you identify the type of legal case you're facing, determine the specific area of law involved, and comprehend the complexity and scope of your case. Let's explore each of these aspects in detail. Identifying the type of legal case. Before you begin your search for a lawyer, it's essential to pinpoint the nature of your legal issue. Is it a criminal matter, a civil dispute, or a family law issue? By categorizing your case, you can narrow down your search to lawyers who specialize in the relevant field, determining the specific area of law involved. Within each broad category of law, there are various specialized areas. For example, if you're involved in a civil dispute, it could be related to contract law, real estate, employment, or personal injury. Understanding the specific area of law involved in your case will help you find a lawyer with expertise in that particular domain. Understanding the complexity and scope of your case. Legal cases can vary in terms of complexity and scope. Some cases may be relatively straightforward, while others may involve intricate legal issues and multiple parties. Assess the complexity of your case to determine the level of expertise and experience your lawyer should possess. Additionally, consider the potential impact and stakes involved in your case to gauge the level of dedication and resources required from your chosen lawyer. By accurately assessing your legal needs, you lay the foundation for finding a lawyer who possesses the specific skills and experience required to handle your case effectively. It ensures that you don't end up with a lawyer who may not be equipped to handle the nuances and intricacies of your legal matter. So take the time to thoroughly evaluate and understand your legal needs before proceeding with your search for the right lawyer. Once you have assessed your legal needs, it's time to embark on the research phase to identify potential lawyers who could be the right fit for your case. Here are some key steps to consider. Recommendations from trusted sources. Seek recommendations from trusted sources such as friends, family members, or colleagues who have had positive experiences with lawyers in the past. Their insights can provide valuable guidance and help you create a list of potential candidates to consider. Online resources and directories. Utilize online resources and legal directories to expand your list of potential lawyers. Websites like Avo, LegalCart, and Laredo provide directories and profiles of attorneys, along with reviews and ratings from previous clients. These platforms can give you a broader perspective on lawyers in your area and their areas of expertise. Checking lawyers' qualifications and experience. Verify the qualifications and experience of the lawyers on your list. Look for information about their educational background, areas of specialization, and any certifications or licenses they hold. Ensure they are licensed to practice in your jurisdiction and have a good standing with the local bar association. Reading client reviews and testimonials. Client reviews and testimonials can provide valuable insights into the experiences of others who have worked with the lawyers you are considering. Look for patterns in the feedback to get a sense of their reputation, communication skills, responsiveness, and overall client satisfaction. Keep in mind that no lawyer will have a perfect record, but pay attention to the overall sentiment expressed by their previous clients. By researching potential lawyers using these methods, you can gather essential information to evaluate their suitability for your case. This research phase allows you to create a short list of lawyers who possess the necessary qualifications, experience, and positive reviews from clients. Remember to approach this step with thoroughness and diligence, as it lays the groundwork for making an informed decision about the lawyer you ultimately choose to represent you. When choosing a lawyer, it is crucial to evaluate their expertise and ensure they have the necessary skills and knowledge to handle your case effectively. Consider the following factors when assessing a lawyer's expertise: specialization and experience in relevant practice areas. Look for lawyers who specialize in the specific area of law that aligns with your case. Specialized knowledge and experience in your particular legal issue can make a significant difference in the outcome. Lawyers who focus on a specific practice area are likely to be more familiar with the intricacies, nuances, and recent developments in that field. Track record of successful cases. Assess the lawyer's track record and inquire about their past cases similar to yours. Determine their success rate and whether they have achieved favorable outcomes for their clients. While no lawyer can guarantee a specific result, a proven track record of success can be an indicator of their competence and ability to handle your case effectively. Familiarity with local laws and regulations. Ensure that the lawyer is familiar with the laws and regulations relevant to your jurisdiction. Laws can vary from one jurisdiction to another, and having a lawyer who understands the local legal landscape can be advantageous. They will be well-versed in local procedures, court systems, and potential strategies that can benefit your case. Membership in professional organizations or associations. Consider whether the lawyer is a member of professional organizations or associations related to their practice area. Membership in such organizations demonstrates a commitment to staying updated with the latest developments, attending conferences, and participating in continuing education programs. It also signifies that the lawyer is dedicated to maintaining high professional standards. By evaluating a lawyer's expertise through these factors, you can gain confidence in their ability to handle your case competently. A lawyer with specialization and experience in relevant practice areas, a track record of success, familiarity with local laws and regulations, and involvement in professional organizations can provide you with the assurance that they have the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate your legal matter effectively. Once you have narrowed down your list of potential lawyers, it's time to meet them in person or virtually through consultations. This step is crucial as it allows you to gauge their suitability for your case and assess their compatibility with you as a client. Consider the following aspects when meeting potential lawyers. Scheduling consultations. Reach out to the lawyers on your shortlist and schedule initial consultations. Many lawyers offer free or low-cost initial consultations to discuss your case and assess how they can assist you. Take advantage of this opportunity to meet them and gather more information. Preparing questions and discussing your case. Prepare a list of questions and concerns to discuss during the consultation. Provide an overview of your case, including relevant facts and details. Use this time to assess their understanding of your situation and their ability to provide insightful advice and guidance. Assessing lawyers' communication style and responsiveness. Pay attention to the lawyer's communication style during the consultation. Are they actively listening to you? Do they explain legal concepts in a way that is easy to understand? Assess their responsiveness to your questions and concerns. Effective communication and responsiveness are crucial qualities for a lawyer-client relationship. Understanding their approach to handling cases. Inquire about the lawyer's approach to handling cases similar to yours. Ask about their strategies, potential timelines, and potential outcomes they envision for your case. Understanding their approach can help you assess whether their methods align with your goals and expectations. During these meetings, trust your instincts and consider how comfortable you feel communicating and working with each lawyer. Building a rapport and feeling at ease with your chosen lawyer is essential for a successful partnership throughout your legal journey. By meeting potential lawyers and engaging in thoughtful discussions, you can gain valuable insights into their communication skills, responsiveness, and approach to handling cases. These interactions will enable you to make a well-informed decision when selecting the lawyer who is the best fit for your needs. Discussing fee structures and billing methods. During your consultations or subsequent discussions, inquire about the lawyer's fee structure and billing methods. Understand whether they charge an hourly rate, a flat fee, or work on a contingency basis. Clarify any additional costs, such as court fees or expert witness fees, that may be involved in your case. Transparency regarding costs and expenses. Ensure that the lawyer is transparent about costs and expenses associated with your case. They should provide a clear breakdown of how fees are calculated, what services are covered, and any potential additional costs that may arise. Transparency in financial matters will help you make an informed decision based on your budget and the value you expect to receive. Considering the value provided for the fees charged, it's important to assess the value provided by the lawyer in relation to the fees charged. While cost is a factor, it should not be the sole determining factor. Consider the lawyer's experience, track track record, expertise, and the potential impact of their representation on your case. Balancing cost with the quality of service and potential outcomes will help you make a more comprehensive evaluation. Building a rapport with the lawyer. Pay attention to how comfortable you feel interacting with the lawyer. Building a rapport and establishing a good working relationship is crucial for effective communication and collaboration. Assess their interpersonal skills, level of empathy, and ability to understand your concerns and goals. Trusting your instincts and gut feeling. Trust your instincts when it comes to assessing the compatibility and trustworthiness of a lawyer. If something doesn't feel right or you have doubts about their abilities, it's important to acknowledge and consider those feelings. Trusting your gut can help you make a decision that aligns with your intuition and comfort level. Evaluating the lawyer's professionalism and ethics. Consider the lawyer's professionalism and ethics. Do they conduct themselves with integrity? Are they respectful and responsive? Evaluate whether they demonstrate a commitment to upholding professional standards and adhering to ethical guidelines. Working with a lawyer who operates ethically and professionally is essential for your peace of mind and the success of your case. Inquiring about the lawyer's availability. Discuss the lawyer's availability and their ability to dedicate sufficient time and attention to your case. Ensure they have the capacity to take on your matter and give it the necessary focus it deserves. Understanding their current caseload. Inquire about the lawyer's current caseload and workload. While a busy lawyer may indicate competence and demand, it's important to assess whether they can effectively handle your case without being overwhelmed by other commitments. Ensuring adequate time and attention for your case. Confirm that the lawyer will have sufficient time and resources to devote to your case. Ensure they will be able to meet important deadlines, attend hearings, and provide the level of attention your case requires. Importance of seeking multiple perspectives. Consider seeking second opinions from other lawyers before making a final decision. Different lawyers may offer unique insights and approaches to your case, helping you gain a broader understanding of your legal options. Consulting with other lawyers for comparison. Engage in consultations with additional lawyers to compare their advice, strategies, and perspectives. This process can provide you with a well-rounded view of your case and help you make a more informed decision. Ensuring you are comfortable with your final decision. Ultimately, make sure you feel confident and comfortable with your final decision. Trust yourself and the research you have conducted, as well as the insights gained from meetings with potential lawyers. Recap of the key steps discussed. Summarize the key steps discussed throughout the blog, including assessing your legal needs, researching potential lawyers, evaluating their expertise, meeting them in person, considering costs and fees, assessing compatibility and trust, checking availability and workload, and seeking second opinions. Emphasize the importance of selecting the right lawyer. Reinforce the significance of choosing the right lawyer for your case. A well-informed decision can have a significant impact on the outcome of your legal matter and provide you with the necessary support and guidance throughout the process. Encouragement to take action. Encourage readers to take action and begin their journey of finding the right lawyer for their case. Remind them that by following the outlined steps and conducting thorough research, they can make an informed decision and secure the legal representation they need. By following these steps and considering the various factors discussed, you can increase the likelihood of choosing the right lawyer who will skillfully advocate for your interests and help you navigate the complexities of your legal case.